Hey, what's up, AMP holder? In last 24 hours, last 1 hour, last 7 days, all change occurring positive. So therefore, I really like my weather, and absolutely AMP will starting moving upward. So therefore, I am really very happy my weather because I am also holder of AMP. AMP coin is completely on the trending in crypto market because from last 24 hour my weather AMP will completely go in the moon in last 24 hour my weather. But when I see my friend this huge jump, so therefore I am also very shocked to see this to what we need to do my brother. So therefore my brother, I will just and only hold, and definitely my friends don't move anywhere. So this time my brother, as you can see here, just and only they will take a very huge jump in last 24 hours. But all viewers my brother, and especially my friend expert says to please my brother stop working, and definitely as you can see here like this jump, so absolutely you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope my brother the price will be increasing and they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching. Hold up, please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.